I'm at the website for Claude AI, and you'll start seeing some guides from me and videos related to this as I start diving into it. Currently right now, I am using the Pro plan right over here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be downloading the desktop software. I've already logged into Claude. If you haven't, you can go ahead and do that. Over here in the bottom left-hand corner, you have an option to get apps and extensions. We're going to click on that. So now we're in the download section where we have some apps that you can download for Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. We have CoWork, which I'll be looking into, and then we have Cloud Code. Scroll down a little bit further over here and we have the mobile app for iOS and Android, and then we have the extension for Chrome. The one that we're going to be doing right now is the desktop app. So we'll click on the download option and it'll go over here into our downloads folder. We'll click on it. Okay, and we have this window over here for cookie settings. I like to reject those. You can customize them if you want. We're going to get started. We'll click on the get started option and then you can sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now, get prompted right now for let Claude access your camera. I am not comfortable with that, but if you are, you can go ahead and say yes to it. I'm just going to say no. Sign in complete. We'll just go back over here. And here we are. We have the Claude AI desktop application installed on Windows 11 PC. Everything that you access through the browser can now be accessed directly from here on the app. You don't have to open up your browser. A couple things that you can see over here at the top. We have the chat option that you can go into and you can access your chats and your history right over here. You have CoWork. Now I haven't experimented with CoWork, but I will. But you can access it just by switching the tab up here at the top, and then you can access Cloud Code right over here directly from the app. It allows you to toggle through all the components of Cloud directly through your desktop app. You no longer need to use Claude using your browser. You have the desktop apps now installed on your Windows 11 desktop, and you can jump through all the components right here. If you're looking for any specific features that you'd like me to do a step-by-step tutorial on, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.